A Pennsylvania supermarket destroyed more than $35,000 in food after a woman coughed all over it. A co-owner of Garrity Supermarket in Luzerne County says they believe it was a, quote, very twisted prank amidst concerns over coronavirus. He says the woman intentionally coughed on fresh food in the bakery and meat case. The company says it's not taking any chances with customers' well-being and health. Police say they do not believe the woman has COVID-19, but she will get tested. The district attorney's office will determine if she will face any charges. Katie Johnston for KDKA News.